Good evening, Agent. We have recently intercepted sensitive material being sent out of our office to an external IP address belonging to Hydra. We believe we may have a mole amongst us, and we need your help to get to the bottom of this. Fortunately, our inside source in Hydra has explained to us how to use their ciphers to unencrypt the files. However, the brainpower to do so is beyond this, and we need your help to create a script that can unlock the files for us within reasonable time. The files seem to be coming in pairs. They are a comma-separated file called Enigma with a number after it, and a matching file called Secret that has 3 set of numbers separated by dashes. What our source in Hydra tells us is that the comma-separated files, one of them being shown here under enigma1.csv, are not just random letters, but they are a map where you have to select a specific combination of them to generate a password to unlock the zip files, and we need you to identify what kind of information is inside of them. Our source tells us that they're using a geometric shape formed out of the CSV files to generate the password. So the password is indeed found inside of the CSV file. The way they execute such decryption mechanism to find out what the password is they seem to be having a Python script. When they passing the following command line argument, they're passing in the CSV file and they're passing in the 3 numbers that are in the secret file. Now our source tells us that these are not random numbers. What these numbers mean, they're coordinates inside of the CSV file if we look at it as an X and Y, and then this is what is known as the height. It seems that what we have to do is we have to draw a diamond shape in our CSV file to be able to map out what the password is. As an example, we have been able to unlock the first file. In this case, we can see we have 415. The 4 is an X coordinate and it starts scanning from 0 and we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the 4 is going to be the column where we have to start the diamond shape from. The next number is the Y coordinate, and that is going to be where we have to start in terms of rows. It always starts from 0, so in this case, 1 is this point in the CSV file. That's another example. If the CSV file said 28, what that would mean would be this column, because this goes 0, 1, 2, and then the 8 would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this would be the starting point. However, in this case, 1 would be this starting point. The 5 is going to be the height of this diamond shape that we have to make. Now, what do I mean by diamond shape? Well, if this is going to be your starting point, then if our diamond is of height 3, and the diamond's heights are always going to be odd numbers and never even, but let's say the diamond was of height 3. What this means is that we have to make a diamond shape, and these selected cells are going to be what the password is composed of. However, in this case, because it's a diamond height of size 5, what we do is we make it bigger, such as this. And this becomes our diamond shape. If the diamond shape was of size 7, then in theory, that would have to map out like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of height. You can see why the diamond shapes force this to always have an odd number in terms of height, otherwise the diamond doesn't form. Furthermore, we should never have a scenario where the height is too big that it doesn't fit inside of the CSV file. The CSV files are of different lengths. However, they will work with the matching numbers. As you can see here, the second and third have a much bigger range. You can see this is X coordinate 33, Y coordinate 28, and the diamond is of height 11, whereas this one's of height 15, but we have a rather big CSV file. So you will never run into a scenario where the diamond does not fit in the shape. However, in this specific case, the diamond height is 5, so this is going to be the map. Now, to build the final password, what we have to do is we have to select these and go from top to bottom, left to right. So in this case, the first character of the password is going to be an I. From there, it's going to be this, and then we go to this one, and then this one, then this one, and finally that one. So we go top to bottom, left to right, just like if you are reading in English. These cells seem to be of size 1 to 4 characters. As we can see here, this is the resulting code. So if we took the I, which is the first part of the diamond, put it here, and then let's take that, and then let's take that, and then this, and then this, and continue the process until we have all of them. Once we put all these together, we concatenate them together, don't add any extra spaces, and we get the final code. As you can see, the code here is going to match the code here. After we have this, then we have to enter that into a decryptor using zip command to be able to open it. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to create a Python script that can automatically extract the secret code from a given CSV file with the given 3 numbers as parameters, so that you can automatically generate these, because otherwise it will take a long time to manually extract them for such a large diamond shape, or potentially larger ones that we may intercept in the future. Good luck, agents, and this message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.